Hi planty people, welcome to my channel Guy with a Plant. I'm Dennis from Singapore, and in today's episode I'm going to do an unboxing or rather unwrapping, as I did some online shopping on this app called Lazada. Lazada is a direct-to-consumer shopping platform with many vendors and also many categories, and gardening or plants is definitely one of the categories. And of course, I bought some planty stuff. So let's take a look at my purchases. Just want to interject here for a shout out to a Carol Clover who recently commented on my video, and she said some really nice things, as well as becoming a subscriber. Thank you very much. But for some reason I couldn't comment on that. I couldn't respond to that comment. It says that the comment is no longer available. Maybe there is a YouTube glitch, or maybe you just changed your mind. Nonetheless, thank you very much, Carol. I ordered from the app about a week ago, or rather on the 10th of October. Today is the 19th. So some of the items arrived earlier because they were local vendors, but this particular one arrived yesterday, so it took about 1 week, as this vendor is based in China. From the shape of this package, you all have probably guessed what this is. So yeah, let's open this up. So the first item I'm going to show you is this pair of moss poles. They are 50 centimeters tall, about half a meter, and it cost me 10 Singapore dollars for both. I was initially confused because it says buy one get one free, and the photo showed 2 poles, so I'm not sure whether I'm getting 4 poles or 2 poles at that price. So obviously it's you pay $10 for 1 pole and you get 2. So each pole now costs me about $5. Is that cheap? I have an upcoming video that I'm going to pull up some of my plants, so this will come in handy. I can actually make them from scratch. I do have the material, but I guess I'm just lazy. So this will definitely save me some time. And I got a free gift from this purchase. I think this is a mosquito repellent. It's a tag you're supposed to wear on your wrists or ankles, and it's supposed to repel mosquitoes. The next purchase is a potting mix. This potting medium called the Rewilding mix from the Rewilding company, a local seller. Basically is a very airy, loose and chunky potting mix that I like to use for my aroids, so mainly philodendrons, anthuriums, alocasia, and even Hoyas. This is a 5-liter pack and it cost me $15. So actually you can mix it yourself if you have the time and the resources to buy the ingredients. This is basically made out of pine bark, cocoa coir, pumice and perlite. So I have two types of potting mixture. I'll use the Rewilding mix, or if not, I have my own mixture, which is made out of the general purpose potting soil amended with cocoa chips, pumice, and perlite. So that is also very airy and porous. So it really depends what kind of plants are you trying to pot up. So for example, if it's a syngonium or a caladium, you can just use the general purpose potting medium that is good enough because that's amended with pumice already. But if you are potting, say, a Hoya or a philodendron, then I will use a mixture of Rewilding mix, maybe with my own mixture. So it really depends on the plant, and of course it also depends on the planter that you are using, the pot, whether is that a very porous pot or a ceramic or plastic pot. That will determine the potting medium as well. There are two items in the next purchase, but anyway, it is in a clear wrapper, so you pretty much know what it is. So let's open this up. Okay, this is the other item. This is a trio of plum poles, or rather the frames of the poles. And yeah, this is the base with this stick here when you can actually put it in the potting medium. And these are the additional stackable poles. So what you can do is you can just stack on to lengthen the whole pole as the plant grows. So you see you get a very tall pole. The base is about 30 centimeters, and then the additional poles are about 50 centimeters. So you can get quite a tall pole once you stack it up. So as the plant grows bigger, you can actually buy more and continue stacking, right? So this set of 3 cost me $15, 15 Singapore dollars. Oh yeah, so what you do is to add some potting media into this plastic frame, maybe sphagnum moss, or if you don't like, you can actually add orchid bark or cocoa chips or an assortment of potting media. The purpose is for the aerial roots of the plants to actually latch itself onto the potting media and to have a grip so that the plant can actually grow upwards and give you more robust leaves. So yeah, so as the plant grows, you can just stack on and add more potting media. So this is going to be fun. In the same order, I also bought this liquid gold, Jacko liquid gold. This is supposed to be some kind of booster for the plants. I mean, it's not exactly a fertilizer. No, I don't think it's a fertilizer, but more of a booster. So somewhat similar to root roids. I am not sure whether is this only available in Singapore, maybe Malaysia as well. Other than that, yeah, this is a local product. So I'm going to put the ingredients of this booster here on screen, so you can take a look. So how do you use it is to add 1 ml of this into 500 ml of water, and you just water it as per normal. But you need to wait for 30 minutes for it to activate the microbes, and then the mixture, you are not supposed to sit 72 hours. So anything that's more than 72 hours, you got to throw it away because you can't use it anyway, it's not effective. So this is the second bottle I'm using. I've used the first one for about, it lasted pretty long, I think about 3 months. I use it every time I water the plants, and it seems to be giving pretty good results. Again, I'm not sponsored, so just saying. And this is the last package I'm going to unwrap, and I think this is a pretty fun one. So let's take a look. I don't think I need scissors to open this, just got to use brute force. Okay, this is a fragile item, so I hope there is no any breakage. This is a propagation station, and it's made out of this wooden rack or stand that's made out of this very cheap wood, and as well as 4 grass tubes. Let me remove one of them from the foam, the protective foam. So this is how it looks like, really cool. And you just put it in the rack, just like test tubes. And this will make a cool propagation station for my cuttings. And you can actually place it anywhere that is bright enough for your cuttings, and it's going to look really cute. It even comes with this small brush that you can actually clean the grass tubes when it's full of algae. Oh, oops, almost got stuck. And this whole set cost me 980 Singapore dollars, which I think is a pretty good deal. So this vendor is based in China, so it took a longer time for it to arrive, about slightly more than a week, which is fine because I've experienced even longer waiting time for overseas deliveries. I hope you have fun watching that video. If you like contents like that, I hope you can subscribe to my channel and also to like and comment on my videos. Meanwhile, take care and be safe. I shall see you again in my next video. Bye.